Hello guys, so this is the Photoshop screen, and in this place we will write the project name here, what width we need it in pixels or percentage, millimeter or inches. This is for the height, what we want to give for the picture. Okay, and from here we will choose the background, which type of background we need the white background, we need the transparent background, or we need the colored background what we want. Okay, from here we will start the new image. We can choose any of it. You can go down and you can choose. Suppose I choose this one. Okay, this is the move tool. We can move our text, whatever you will write here, you can move. And suppose you write something here, I will explain you how to write it, but we can move the uh, text or move the picture. Suppose I write here Jeddah. I take this tool and now I can move this text where I want to put it. Okay, so also one more thing, I can choose the color for this from here, but first I have to select this. I will explain you all the things, but for now only just I am showing you how we will use this tool like this. This is the selection tool. In selection tool there are many selection tool in Photoshop. If you hold the mouse button, so you can see there is rectangle and ellipse select tool. This is also for the selection. You will hold this so you can see lasso, polygonal, magnetic. And there is one more tool. This is also for the selection, object selection, quick and magic. There is one more tool for selection. If you go down here, this is the pen tool, and you hold this so you can use this tool for the selection. This is the crop tool, selection tool. I show you one so you will get the idea. I select this. Now I select this and I cut from here, and I'll copy, or if I want to change the background of this tool, so I'll do it. But before this, I want to tell you, in Photoshop we work on the layers. For everything, whatever we will do, it will create the new layer. And if you are not, the layers are not showing here, so you just click here, there is the layer, you will find it, and you can see now for Jeddah there is another layer. Okay, if we have to work on the background, so we will use background layer. So you should know which layer you are working, so you can work on it, because if you are in this layer and you want to work here, so you cannot move, you cannot do it. This is the crop tool. In crop tool you can crop your image. Suppose you want to crop this only and you don't want this picture, just you crop it and enter. So you can see now we crop it. So there are different types of crop tool. We will learn about this. This tool is eyedropper. Eyedropper we use for picking the color. Suppose I want to again write the text. So you can see now there is one more layer created because I am doing some other thing. Okay, now here suppose I write Saudi Arabia. I use this move tool I bring it here. You can see now this is layer for the Saudi Arabia. If we want to work on this layer, so we should be on this layer. Okay, but I want to put the color uh, like this. But if I will go to the color, I will start selection. So you can see I want to change the color, but which color? This color. So what will I do? I will take this eyedropper and I will choose this color. So you can see automatically from all the colors it choose this color. I press OK. This is the spot healing. Sometimes you see you have some bad things and you don't want to put on your image. So what will you do? Suppose on the background, because this is background layer, and I will use this spot. So once you click, I will explain you all these things, but for now it remove the spots, it's remove the uh, unnecessary areas from your image. This is the brush tool. Brush tool, as you know, we use for brushing something. If you hold the mouse button, so you will see pencil tool and color replacement. Okay, so this one we will use for the brush. If we need same color here, so we will use this. Okay, this tool is also very important. Clone tool. Clone tool, why we use clone tool? If we need the same thing here, so we will clone this thing here also. Okay, one more thing, you can increase the brush size or the clone size. Like for the brush, means you can increase the size. You can see now there is very small, so you can change the size. And what you have to do, I will explain you this. We press the alt button, we will come on the background, we choose, we need this here, so we will press alt button from our keyboard, click, and now when we will start dragging, so it will apply on this place also. So this is the cloning tool. This is the eraser tool. Eraser tool we use to erase something. Why it's not working? Because we are on this layer, so we have to come on this layer Jadda, and after that we will start to remove it. So you can see now our original screen is coming and this Jadda has been removed. This is the for the paint, for the painting we use it. This is we want to make blur our video, like in Teams there is an option you can blur the background. So you can here you can blur anything here. This is for the text. As I told you, you want to write some text here, so you will select this and you will start typing whatever you want. Suppose the mom. Okay, this pen tool, I told you this is related from these tools selection. This is the move tool. You can move your picture up or down or wherever you want, because this picture is small. If you have a big picture or you want to go down, so you can take help from this hand. This is for the zoom. It will zoom your image and you can see very closely. So guys, all these tools we will learn, but before this I want to give you some test, and in this test I will see how much you understand about the tools. Okay, so let's start the test.